Oh, I love the fairies. They're just, I really do love them. I love making them. If I need a little bit of a, I don't know, bit of a happy time, I'll start making fairies. This one is extra special. She's extra special because she's got the most gorgeous curly hair that you can. We've had these curls specially made for us, specially dyed for us, I should say. Look at that. It's like, oh, it's just too. I love these curls. I really want to make them available even after the fairy box so that they can be sold on our website after that. The shape of the fairy of this one, this time, is like a big sunflower. So we've done the wings in the shape of the petals, and she is just absolutely adorable. So I'm going to show you what happens when you get your fairy box and you open it up. There it is. Okay, so let's open this one up. Just going to take this off. Maybe not. There. Right, I'm going to come in a little bit, zoom in a little bit now, because then you get a better view of what's in there, and because I'm not that important in all of this, but the box is. Tidy my place up a bit. We don't need the felting mat. Let's declutter that a bit. So there you are. That's the box. That's how you get it. Just to remind you, what you get in your fairy box is always you get a newsletter. Remember, this is also only available as of the 1st of August. So if you want this box, then you have to sit tight until 1 minute after midnight. If you are ordering this box today, which is the 31st of July, you will get the Wild Rose Fairy, which is equally beautiful. But if you've fallen in love with the Sunflower Fairy, then you have to just sit tight for another few hours. And in there you will be getting, oh, I don't really even want to open that, but I will open it because you've got to see it, don't you? It's just so nicely packed. Just love how Alice packs all of our boxes. She's such an artist, making it look nice. So in this box you will get 2 sunflowers to decorate your Sunflower Fairy, and you will also get, you notice that we're trying to stay away from plastic, so you're going to get a little paper bag. Sorry, it's rustling. In there you will also get, you get 2 ladybirds. I'll show you a bit closer up. Ready for a giant ladybird to come towards you? There. It's not even zooming in, that wretched camera. There, can you see it? Just about. So you get 2 of these. They're actually life size. You get some brown thread this time. If you've had our boxes before, you know that you get this thread to tie the head below the below the head, below the neck, basically. And then you also get a little string here to hang your fairy up with, a little string, so that if you want a hanging fairy, then you can do that too. Right, try and put that in there again. So you get all these little accessories to go with your fairy. And then of course you always get, with every single fairy box, you get 1 felting needle. It is a felting kit, strictly speaking, but there's very, very little felting. So you don't need a felting mat. It's just to sort of fasten certain things into place. And then you get these lush, lush curls. Look at that. I feel like I even need to get you a bit closer. So I'm just going to go on a even closer screen. Try and move that into the right place. So there you go. So you have your flowers there, and then you have these lush curls. They're just to die for. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Lovely. You get your single felting needle in there, and then you get all the ingredients to make your Sunflower Fairy. Now with our fairy boxes, any of them, not just this one, you get, if it's your first box ever, you get a basic instruction that tells you how to make the basic shape, and then everybody gets the specific instructions to make the fairy that you have subscribed to. With the fairy boxes, there is one slight difference in that you can also buy one-off boxes, but if you're buying the subscription, you do save yourself 20%, so that's quite a substantial saving, of course. Notice that all of our instructions have got a centimeter tape measure here on the side, so we often refer to measurements, and then you don't need to go looking for your ruler or your tape measure. And then you have the step-by-step instructions, one after another. So don't worry about what this is going to look like. Just follow it completely step by step until you get to the very end. And I even just love looking at the instructions because they're so nice and sunny. It's a sunny day and we're doing sunflowers. How appropriate is that? And in this box here, you get your white wool because that's for the head. You get your dark brown wool, that's for the skin. Then you get your orange wool, that is what I call the petticoat of the fairy. Then you get your main color orange, which is for the dress of the fairy. And then you get this lovely, let me just try and remember now, it is bamboo fiber, which is to tie her little belt around her waist, or you could even do further decorations with it. Because we've seen some amazing fairies that people have actually slightly varied their interpretation of them, and I just love it when that happens. I totally love it.